Hello guys, welcome back to CI's Garage, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean and paint a dirt bike frame. So let's get into it. Here's a quick before of the dirt bike frame. Do you see how dirty and scratched it is? Can really use a new fresh coat of paint. So we're going to first start off by hitting it with the pressure washer, and then we are going to be scrubbing the frame down. So let's get into it. So I just got done power washing it. As you can tell, it does look a lot better than before. All the mud is off. Now it's just the rust and just paint chips and everything. So now we're gonna go scrub it with some soap and water and a little electric drill brush. So now we're gonna be scrubbing the frame with this electric drill attachment and some Dawn dish soap and some water. So let's get into it. So just got done spraying it off and scrubbing it with the drill attachment. It is looking a lot better. Most of their dirt is finally starting to come off. This back piece, I left it on until I take all the bolts off to paint the frame. So now we're going to be using this foam cannon with the pressure washer to let it sit on the frame and get all the rest of the dirt off the frame. So here's the final product of all the cleaning I've done. It looks a lot better. It's just a lot more cleaner. Still got the rust and everything on it, but it's not all caked and just complete mud. You can actually work on it. So now we're going to start taking these off, both of these, and the foot pegs, and then after that we're going to start preparing it to get painted, so which will include sanding the frame and getting the rest of the bolts out. So let's get into it. We just got done washing the frame, so now it is time to rough up the paint that's already on the frame with this wire brush and the sandpaper to get ready to paint. So I just got done finishing roughing up the frame, getting it all where the paint will be able to adhere to it. So Now we're going to wipe down the entire frame because there's still some leftover paint, and we are going to wipe it down with a degreaser, and then I'll get to you guys after we do that. We're going to wipe down the frame with this Sunny Side degreaser. It'll help get the frame ready to paint. So let's get into it. Just got done wiping the frame down with the degreaser. This is what it looks like. I roughed it up, so now the last step is to get the frame painted. So let's begin. So we got the frame hanging up by a rope from a tree to give us a good spraying angle. So we're first gonna start off with this anodized base coat. It is high heat paint, which isn't necessary, but I like to use it because I really like this brand. We're gonna do about 2 coats of this, and then we're going to move on to this Kaale Fusion, just matte black paint, and do another 2 coats of that. And then we're gonna finish it off with this flat enamel. Like, it just helps protect the paint from chipping. So let's begin spray painting. Here is the final product of the frame. As you can see, it turned out really, really good. Frame pretty much looks brand new. And now, once the cylinder comes in for the engine, we can start putting back together the dirt bike. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more content like this. In the next part on this Kx65 build, we will be doing a top-end rebuild on the engine, and then we are going to be putting everything back on the frame and getting this bike looking brand new. So I'll see you guys in the next part.